Hi there, today we're introducing the NEHOO Replacement Pad, designed for cold therapy systems that target knees, shoulders, lumbar, ankles, cervical areas, backs, legs, and hips. This pad features flexible, clear, and soft polyether TPU material, with an insulating sponge cloth backing for comfort and durability. The male quick connectors have inner stoppers to prevent leaking when disconnected, ensuring a mess-free experience. Please note the connectors on this pad are not compatible with newer NEHOO machines, so replacement with original connectors is necessary if available. The pad comes with 3 elastic straps and a non-woven liner for easy, comfortable wrapping on any body part. Before ordering, watch the demonstration video on the product page to understand connector replacement. This durable, easy-to-use cold therapy pad helps you manage pain and inflammation effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.